Hi everyone, I'm Martin here. In this session, I will share what are the preferred floor levels for business entity using the food-related trade and industry sector as an example. This can also apply to your home though, owing to the fact that more people are working from home nowadays. With the current ongoing crisis, more food processing and delivery services have emerged, and this could also lead to more facilities for logistic and food handling. Although a business can be housed in any floor level, but specific floor levels of an industry or commercial building um, can be well purposed for specific business usage. The photo shows a building with various elemental representations, um, such as 3 and 8 belongs to the wood floor, 2 and 7 belongs to the fire floor. For example, a logistic company is preferred to be housed in level 1 or 6 and perhaps in level 4 and 9. Why is that so, you may ask? Based on the principle of elemental production cycle, where metal produce water and also water can further strengthen water. Therefore, those floor levels belonging to the water and metal element are the supporting element for water, where water element is represented as 1 and 6 and metal element is represented as 4 and 9. And this floor can support or prosper the logistic related trade and industry, as they are regard as water related business entity based on feng shui context. Using the newly launched City Food Change and Citrine Foodland at Kim Chuan as an illustration, businesses such as food factories and central kitchens usually housed in these entities are generally from the fire-related trade and industries. And it is preferred to have these fire-related businesses in the fire or wood floor of the building, supporting and prospering its businesses based on the principle of the production cycle again, where wood produce fire and also fire can further strengthen fire. Therefore, the floor, or rather the fire floor, will be 2 and 7, and where else the wood floor will be 3 and 8, supporting the fire related businesses. This is one of the various ways to define the floor level suitability for a trade or businesses. The other methods to derive favorable floor are the number one, using a person year of birth. In this case, will be the date of birth of the boss or or rather the head of the company. Number two is about contributed by the external environmental factors in this vicinity, such as where the mountain is in relationship to the building. And third is the timeliness of the prevailing years. For example, the current 10 years are more in favor of the supporting the metal and water flow now, derived from the He principle known in Chinese as the Ji Wan, or translated in English as the 5 red period. Beside floor levels, there are other considerations in selecting a favorable business operating space, being the right place for the right business, such as the influence of the external environment, the shape of the building, perhaps, and as well as the people and time factors. With this in place, fine-tuning to the facility can then be done in details with the feng shui formula to optimize the full potential of the workspace, such as where to allocate the office or administrative space in the company, and how the people and especially the key person of the company are seated within these spaces. For example, The sales and marketing staff will be best to sit in the location favorable for people's matter, fostering good interpersonal relationship with the client, or perhaps sitting in the wealth sector where more creative ideas and sales opportunity can be realized. I hope you like this short session as it relates a basic concept about the advantage of choosing the right floor levels for your business entity as well as for your home. In fact, you should feng shui your home as if it's like your office or a commercial building or property, owing to the fact that of this new norm where work and living could be redefined and integrated as one in your home. If you need more details, seek professional advice from a feng shui consultant or practitioner, or perhaps contact me. I can share more with you. And before you go, if this session is useful to you, give me a like and share it with your friends and to those whom you believe will be beneficial to them. And also hit the subscribe button to get notified when we release new so-called upcoming session for you. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. I'm Martin.